Boards are beginning to treat nature not as an externality, but as a strategic asset and a source of material risk. Boards are assigning explicit oversight of nature-related risks to board committees, integrating nature into board education and onboarding, creating nature-competent boards expanding skill sets beyond finance and legal, embedding nature into executive KPIs, remuneration, and incentives, requiring science-based reporting and aligning with global standards, and finally, setting expectations for management that climate and nature are now part of their fiduciary duty. If your board is not overseeing nature and climate, then your board is simply not overseeing risk.